What is composition in photography? Composition is how you arrange the parts of your photo. It's where your subject goes, how the background lines up, and what draws the viewer's eye. A strong composition makes your photo feel balanced, intentional, and easy to view. But even if your lighting is perfect, bad composition can ruin your photograph. Now, there are 3 key elements to look for in every photo. The foreground, which is closest to the camera and can add depth or help frame the subject. The subject is the main focus of your image and should be placed with purpose. And the background is everything behind your subject, and it should support the story without being distracting. Now, here are 2 quick tips to help improve your composition. First, use the rule of thirds. Imagine a grid. Place your subject slightly off center instead of right in the middle. Secondly, look at leading lines. These might be paths, railings, or shadows that naturally give the viewer's eye attention in one direction or another. In souvenir photography, composition is what helps you frame a ride, a landmark, or a family in a way that tells a story, not just capture a moment. Want more tips like these? Click the link in the description to explore our full photography glossary.